Feeling ready to kickstart your fitness journey? Today, we're diving into the best beginner exercises you can do at home. These moves are simple, effective, and perfect for anyone starting out. No gym? No problem. Let's get moving. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to warm up your body. They get your heart pumping and improve circulation. Stand straight with your arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs shoulder-width apart while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute to get your blood flowing. Exercise 2. Modified push UPS. Push-ups are great for strengthening your chest, arms, and shoulders. If you're a beginner, start with modified push-ups. Kneel on a mat and place your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your back straight. Push yourself back up. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions to build upper body strength. Exercise 3. Bodyweight squats. Squats are excellent for building lower body strength and improving balance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Return to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 reps to work those legs and glutes. Exercise 4. Plank. Planks are a core strengthening powerhouse. They also improve your posture. Place your forearms on the ground and stretch your legs back. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and work your way up as you get stronger. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Leg raises are a great way to tone your abs. Lie flat on your back and place your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs straight up, then slowly lower them without touching the ground. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps to engage your lower abs. Cool down. Don't forget to cool down. Simple stretches, like touching your toes or a gentle side stretch, help relax your muscles and improve flexibility. And there you have it, a simple yet effective workout routine for beginners. Remember, consistency is key. Start small, stay committed, and watch your fitness journey unfold.